We've come to LA and our plan here is very simply just to eat all of the good food we can find. Donut Friend was amazing. Now we're going to Gracias Madre. However, we didn't count on LA traffic. So we're like 25 minutes late and we're about 15 minutes away. Things are not looking great. It's time for Gracias Madre and this is our third meal of the day. This is Gracias Madre's Lone Caballero cocktail. Tequila, pineapple, lime, and a load of deliciousness. Wow, that is truly fantastic. It's like summer. And a nice touch, we've got a paper straw. Save the environment. Good on you, Gracias Madre. This is the SOPES con mango. We've got this cashew cream just drizzled artfully over the top. These cubes of mango, shredded lettuce, all on top of a potato cake. That is gorgeous. We've got tomato, we've got mango, all playing well with each other. And a hint of burrito, thanks to the black bean and the cashew cream. Highly recommend this dish. Flautas de camote. Wow. Wow. That is an impressive dish. The thing that makes that dish is the crispy outer. You've just got a multitude of gorgeous Mexican flavors bursting in my mouth.
The best thing about this plate for me is this. It's like refried black beans. This is a damn tasty thing. Okay, so Gracias Madre isn't just famous for its Mexican food, it's famous for its Mexican cocktails. And I have got my hands on a La QUINCEAñERA. Tequila, strawberry, lime. It's tangy, it's sweet, it's alcoholic. This is a damn nice cocktail. Mexican cocktails need tequila and chili, and this is a pura picante which has got both. Oh, Jesus. It's really tasty, really light. It's gonna wash down this meal perfectly. Wow. So this grilled tofu is super tasty. It's like really, really firm and meaty, but the green sauce with the lime and the coriander, super fresh, perfect Mexican flavors. This is a very tasty dish.
The amazing thing about this tofu, look how meaty that looks. It tastes like some kind of charcoal meat straight off the barbecue. The other thing I like about this dish is they give you a steak knife. They're saying something there. Why would you bother with anything else? Just use your steak knife, mate, and get your tofu.
We're in a Mexican restaurant, so their guacamole should be very, very good. It's good, it's creamy, it's salty enough, it's citrusy enough. There's no unnecessary red onion or cherry tomatoes in there. Big up Gracias Madre.
That is a tasty empanada. Often empanadas can be done badly and you get a really dry outer. This pastry is perfect. The pumpkin on the inside is just, it's so smooth and tasty. Now if you'll excuse me. That is really, 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 really tasty.
So, Gracias Madre, the fabled Gracias Madre. The restaurant itself, architecturally beautiful. The food is very good, it's fresh. There's a lot of thought gone into the menu. It's quite traditional in terms of the Mexican flavors.
Gracias Madre was an experience. It's actually the second time I've been here and it was better this time than the last time. I think one of the things that's so beautiful is the presentation. The vibe is great, the atmosphere is fantastic, and the food just looks wonderful. I mean, you're expecting to be spending a fair whack on your meal if you come here, but overall, you're gonna get a great spread of food. And the cocktails are next level. Thank you, Gracias Madre. We are very grateful.